This is going to be a quick tutorial. I'll go over the text section of the annotate tab. So once we've placed the views that we want, you can place some detail views, whatever, but we'll stick with this front, right, top ISO views. Now we're going to go into annotate. Next I'll show you dimension and feature notes, but first we'll work on text. So we just want to create some text to place. Just click text, and now we pick the bottom left corner. So click there. Now we have a field where we can enter our text. So let's say top view. If we want to change the size, highlight it all. You can pick the height. So say 0.24 inches high. We could bold it, italicize, underline, rotate. So if we wanted to have it at a rotation, which we don't because it's just a label. Spacing, standard text editing stuff that you're probably familiar with. Precision, this is not a number, so it's kind of irrelevant. So let's just say top. There we go. Now it still wants to enter text, so we'll hit escape or right click and done or whatever. So now we can drag it around. We could copy it. We could do like Control C, Control V sort of thing to copy and paste it. So there, I've copied and pasted it. So now we can label this, and we can put a label here and here. Ideally, these will all be lined up in a grid. So to do that, let's make a sketch, make a rectangle, and we'll line up all of them to the corners of the rectangle. So let's finish our sketch. We just line them all up to the corners of the rectangle. We could do this more precise, but just to show you how to do it. Anyways, so yeah, line them all up, make them all lined up horizontally and vertically and centered in the images. Like if you see this line here, we're going to want to center them in the piece. So to edit this, we'll say, we'll double click it, front. Let's delete this sketch because I accidentally clicked it, so let's delete it. So just click and delete it. So this is right and isometric. I received a comment, some constructive criticism that I should normalize the volume. So just let me know if that update has worked, because I've worked on doing that in the drafting videos. So just comment if it has or has not worked. So anyways, so now we've got all our labels. That's text. Now back in the annotate tab, we can also add leader text. So if we wanted to label something, so we wanted to label this, we click to create the arrowhead, and then we click again for the next section of the leader, and now we can keep adding sections to the leader. But generally it'll end with like a horizontal. And then when we've got enough pieces, right click, continue. We'll call this knob. Whatever. You get, once again, all the text things. We could rotate it if we wanted to, but then right click, done. That's how we create a leader. Generally you're not going to have one that looks as ridiculous as this, but just to show you that you could if you wanted to. So next I'll do dimensions in the next video.